So we're here on site of the first blue roof install following Hurricane Ian. To date, we've received 17,000 install requests, and we're happy to be putting the first one on this morning. So what you see going on behind me is the contractors installing a fiber reinforced sheathing. They're going to pull it tight and secure it with fairing strips, and the end product for the homeowner is going to be a very reinforced roof, much more resilient than anything they could get from a big box store. And these roofs have been proven to withstand tropical storm force winds in the past, so we're happy to be FEMA's engineer out here delivering for the people affected by Hurricane Ian.